Hi guys, this is Naaz Arora. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do these gorgeous iron curls, and this is going to be a super quick tutorial. I'm just going to tell you how the technique is, how you should go about it. These are my natural hair, and the other side are flat ironed hair with curls, of course. Now all I'm doing is I'm detangling little sections, and I am grabbing my flat iron and putting a section of the hair in it, and now I'm going to take it all the way down. And another time what I'm going to do is I'm going to flat iron this again so that there is no bend and it looks very professional. Now you can see I'm repeating the same step with that half section of hair, and only in the upper area because niche to we are doing curls anyway, right? So I'm taking it to the end now, and what I'm going to do is I am going to twist my iron, and we are going to curl the hair at the end. So you can see this is at the highest heat. This Allen Truman flat iron has heat settings. So my heat setting is at the max, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it stay for a bit, say around 5 seconds, and then I am just going to slowly take it out for that beautiful curl. I just want this curl to stay longer. That's why this process is being done. That is how the curl is at the end, guys. Look at how gorgeous this looks, and I really love it. This is done in slow-mo because there are some people who always ask for this, so you will understand it with one video itself. After I'm done with the entire process, then I take a thicker chunk and just flat iron it on top so that there is no bend. Now I'm going to repeat the same process to get those perfect curls. Well, I hope you found this tutorial informative, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Much love. Bye.